Today, I was worried what money can do.
Yes.
But I have seen what people can do is greater than what money can do. All the money, all the authority, all the guns, all the uniforms could not change the will of the people. I walk away confident.
Says the president.
UPC!
UPC!
Apoy unuba. Give me 1 minute.
Yes.
Today, I was worried what money can do.
Yes.
But I have seen what people can do is greater than what money can do. All the money, all the authority, all the guns, all the uniforms could not change the will of the people. I walk away confident that the future of Uganda is safe in the people of Uganda. Whatever manipulations people can play, the end is with the people. And the people of Ajuri, you have spoken. I have defended your choice, and we have delivered. Thank you. Are you?
UPC! UPC!
Ajuri!
UPC!
Jalameso!
UPC! UPC! UPC!
Are you?
UPC!
Ajuri, Johnny Tudong, UPC Keket, Johnny Punmer, a part Jalameso Bagoy, Kano can be worrying about pop, about what, about Tunati.
Atera mara jo, pe pohonga toro, liu ba, kene no Jalameso, nui nero tedero me electron. Gina mene ikom Jalameso, oberu simplicity. Ikara Jalameso binu chunge bero, MP me Ajuri, jolo holoka Paul, chene ni ipe ginoro, ibiru kai mia teacher. Ginoro kena meeting electron etero pe, eto Jalameso, unukwayo gari mere, kiu yenyo kiri queen. Kwayo utoha mere atitiri mbedang dong chiu yenyo kere queer. Leta mito kwayo joma electron, amiro kuyo joma Ajuri, menyu to mare kom Jalameso. Kuira me onu donge, unubero meneno maranga unti unu kere kom UPC. Kara me wana word jo komene UPC pay electron. You don't catch again. Eto, I'm so proud, I'm so happy ni. UPC to Duogo, 99%, 100% electron. So I appeal to all the voters in electron. This is just a beginning. The base is coming. And we are hoping everyone that Jamamo Ruin should be no Duogo. Damn it, near me, Jonge, Kuo Palao, Begina, one of this year. We have lots of for the way in northern part of Uganda.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.